नमस्कार दर्शक बंधु मु ज्ञान रंजन स्वागत करछि आपनको फाइट फॉर एग्जाम यूट्यूब चैनल को। सीटीबीडी एंट्रांस बहुत बड़ा इंपोर्टेंट रोल प्ले करुछि जो माने टीचर एजुकेशन रे भर्ती होवा पई चाहउछंती। आमे आपनको कंटिन्यूअस भाव रे सीटीबीडी रो क्लास दे आछछु। एटा आपनक पई गोटे स्पेशल सीरीज हबो। सीटीबीडी रो गोटे क्रैश कोर्स चलीछि 2020 घरे बसी बिना कोचिंग रे आपण मागणा रे प्रिपरेशन करि पारिबे। जदि आपण प्रिपरेशन करिया चाहछंती तळे थिबा घंटी आइकन को दबाई हमर चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दियंतु। तापर हमर जो रिसेंट अपडेट आछछि आपण माने पाई परिबे एवं आपणकर एग्जाम प्रिपरेशन पई बहुत हेल्पफुल हो। चलंतु आरंभ करिबा आजिर एपिसोड। जिबा पूर्व मु कहि रखिबी प्लीज गोटे रिक्वेस्ट आपण सब्सक्राइब कर नियंतु। ता फଳରେ आपण माने रिसेंट अपडेट्स पाई परिबे आपण आपनकर एग्जाम प्रिपरेशन रे हेल्पफुल हेबो। चलंतु आरंभ करिबा आजिर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Question number 1. My father dash a book. He dash complete it in a month. Option A is writing expects. B has been writing is expecting. C has written expecting. D wrote expected. So all of you know correct answer is option A. My father is writing a book. He expects. My father is writing a book. He expects complete in a month. Go to question number 2. Our car dash a lot of troubles the days. Option A has given. B gives. C is giving. D has been giving. So correct answer is giving. Our car is giving a lot of troubles these days. Question number 3. When I dash the room, my father dash some letters. Option A was entering, was typing. B entered, was typing. C has entered, has been typing. D enter is. So correct answer is B. When I entered the room, my father was typing some letters. Go to next question. Question number 4. When we dash the match, it suddenly dash raining. When we dash the match, it suddenly dash raining. Option A played. B start. A played started. B had played had started. C are playing starts. D we are playing started. So correct answer is when we were playing the match, it suddenly started raining. एटी past progressive हो, एटी past simple हो. Question number 5. You dash your time all along. So options are have been wasting. B have wasted. C wasted. D are wasting. So correct answer is have been wasting. You have been wasting your time all along. Option A is the correct answer. Go to next question. Question 6. I wish I dash my time. Option A didn't waste. B was not wasting. C have not wasted. D had not wasted. So correct answer is had not wasted. I wish I had not wasted my time. Go to next question. Question number 7. My father dashed a car last year. He dashed enough money for it. Option A had bought had saved. B bought had saved. C has bought had saved. D had bought saved. So correct answer is B. My father bought a car last year. He had saved enough money for it. Go to next question. Question number 8. By August 1987, we dash independent for 40 years. Option A will have been. B will have. C have. Shall have be. D shall have been. So correct answer is shall have been. By August 1987, we shall have been independent for 40 years. Go to next question. Question number 9. If he dash here, he would help me. Option A, where, B, was, C, had been, D, has been. So correct answer is where. If he were here, he would help me. Go to next question. Question number 10. She is one of the best mothers that dash ever lived. Option A, has, B, is, C, have, D, have been. So correct answer is have. Option C is the correct answer. Go to next question. Question number 11. Come in now, comma, I am sorry, dash you waiting. Option A, to keep, B, to have kept, C, to keeping, D, to have. So correct answer is come in now, I am sorry to have kept you waiting. Option B is the correct answer. Go to next question. It is time he dash earning his living. Option A, starts, B, should start, C, started, D, would start. So correct answer is started. It's time he started earning his living. Option C is the correct answer. Go to next question. I dash him for a long time. Option A, no, B, knew, C, am knowing, D, have known. So correct answer is D, I have known him for a long time. Go to next question. Question number 14. I dash your proposals and regret I cannot accept them. Option A, studied, B, have studied, C, has studied, D, am studying. So correct answer is have studied. Option B is the correct answer. I have studied your proposals and regret I cannot accept them. Go to next question. Question number 15. He dashed her for a long time before he got married. Option A, has known, B, knew, C, was knowing, D, had known. So correct answer is had known. He had known her for a long time before he got married. Go to next question. Question number 16. I dash England last year. Option A, have visited, B, visited, C, had visited, did visited. So correct answer is visited. I visited England last year. Option B is the correct answer. Go to next question. I dash here since 1974. Option A, am, B, was, C, has been, D, had been. So correct answer is C. I have been here since 1974. Go to next question. Question number 18. He had never cried since he dash a child. Option A, was, B, has been, C, were, D, had been. So correct answer is was. I was never cried since he was a child. Go to next question. He dash me everything now. Option A, has told, B, tell, C, told, D, had told. So correct answer is has told. He has told me everything now. Go to next question. He will come when he dash ready. Option A, will be, C, B, where, C, is, D, is to be. So correct answer is C. He will come when he is ready. Go to next question. You dash to the class on Sunday too. Option A, shall come, B, will have come, C, will come, D, came. So correct answer is shall come. You shall come to the class on Saturday too. Go to next question. 22. It's high time that you dash home. Option A, go. B, will go. C, have gone. D, went. So correct answer is went. It is high time that you went home. Go to next question. Question number 23. If only I dash sing. 20. Option A, can. B, could. C, may. D, will. So correct answer is B. If only I could sing. Go to next question. I would have come if you dash. Option A, had called. B, called. C, did call. D, have called. So correct answer is A. I would have come if you had called. Go to next question. I enjoy dash. Option A, to swim. B, to swimming. C, swimming. D, to have swimming. So correct answer is swimming. I enjoy swimming. C is the correct answer. Go to next question. Nothing but trees dash before our grades. Option A, lies. B, lie. C, are lying. D is lying. So correct answer is nothing but trees lies before our grades. Option A is the correct answer. Go to next question. 27. Nobody can accuse me of dash lies. Option A, saying. B, speaking. C, telling. D, talking. So correct answer is telling. Nobody can accuse me of telling lies. Go to next question. She dash songs for 3 hours. Option A is singing. B, has sung. C, was singing. D, has been singing. So correct answer is has been singing. She has been singing songs for 3 hours. Go to next question. He dashed to God every morning. He dashed to God every morning. Option A, has prayed. B, prayed. C, had prayed. D, pray. So correct answer is B. He prayed to God every morning. Go to next question. ये थिला आपण मानक पई कंटीन्यूअस भाबरे इंग्लिश जोटा कि बहुत बड़ा इंपोर्टेंट रोल प्ले करे सब कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम रे सीटीबीटी एटा होची क्रैश कोर्स घरे बसी कि आपण प्रिपरेशन करंतु बिना कोचिंग रे प्लीज गोटे रिक्वेस्ट चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दियंतु तापर हमर रिसेंट अपडेट्स पाई परिबे एति कहि रखोजी आपण का दिन शुभ एवं मंगलमय हो आपण हम सहित जोड़ी रुहंतु सब वीडियो देखंतु आपण का दिन शुभ मंगलमय हो जय जगन्नाथ।